Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? So before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it with all my heart. And also give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below anything that you would like to comment or spread some love. But yes, I did wanted to show you guys some of the goodies I had purchased recently. I ended up purchasing some products from the Makeup Shack. And let me show you one of the first products that I ended up purchasing. I ended up purchasing this right here. This is a black mirror, a hand mirror. And I got it in a color black. And it comes with this beautiful silky little small bag, which was really nice. This is the mirror right here. It's super nice and matte, which I love. But yes, this is so nice and pretty. So let me go on to the second item I had purchased, and it's this palette right here, and of course it's from the Makeup Shack, and the name of the palette is Ocean Breeze. Let me open it for you guys can see it. So I did swatch some of these on my hand, you guys, and let me tell you, girl, these are very pigmented. I'm like, ooh. But yes, this is one of the items. The other one is this one right here, and this one is the Rainforest. I love this. It's nice. I like this. And let me show you guys the inside very quick. Look at this, you guys. That is beautiful. Very beautiful. I love it. I can't wait. Like I said, they are pigmented. I had just swatched them in my hands and I'm just like shook how pigmented they are. But enough of my rambling. I would go more into more details with this product, but I just want to try it out on my own and then just give my feedback. But, yes, let's get this tutorial started. I'm not going to show you guys how I do my face. I'm just going to go straight to the eyes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I know I look like a phantasma, but I did put some concealer underneath my eyes and I contoured just a little bit, and I did highlight, underneath my eyes and all that good stuff. So just let me go ahead and just blend in here one more time, just so I can add my powder. So I did wanted to leave the powder underneath my eye, just in case if I get some fallout, it will just be easy just to wipe it off. I'm gonna be using is from Airspun right here, and this one is translucent. I'm just gonna get my beauty blender and I'm just gonna place the powder underneath my eye. So I already added my bronzer and I kind of cleaned up underneath my contour. And the products that I'm going to be using, I'm going to put them down in the description box. So yes, I'm going to be using the Rainforest palette and this one right here. Look at how stunning it is. Yes. So I'm going to be using these. So these have no names, so I'm just going to be showing you guys like which ones I'm going to be using. Okay, so I'm going to be coming in with a brush like this, and this brush is from a Sigma and it's the E38 brush. So I'll be grabbing this shade right here, and of course with my espejo tap some of the excess out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place this. We're gonna use this one as our transition color. So next I'm gonna be grabbing this brush right here. This one is from Equal Tools. So I'm gonna be grabbing this color right there. Place it right here. Add more just to pack the color, just for it to look more bright. But so far, you guys, this is feeling very nice. So I'm going to be using the same brush. I'm just going to get this little thingy right here, and I'm just going to remove the color from this brush. So I'm going to be grabbing this purple color right here. So I'm just going to blend it right here. I'm going to be coming in with this color right here, and then just right there. Oh, pretty. And if you guys see me with the mirror so close to my face, it's because I can't really see that good, so I have to like have it like so close to me. Next I'm going to be coloring this green. This one is the one that was getting my attention, so I'm going to be grabbing that green color. And then I'm just gonna place it next to it right here. And I'll be grabbing, I'm not sure if I should grab the yellow one or the orange one. I think I'm gonna grab the orange one right here. So I'm going to be coming in with this concealer right here. This one is from Wet n Wild and it's in the color Light Ivory. And this brush right here, this is from Sonia and it's just a small flat brush. I'm going to go ahead and create like a cut crease. And like there. Okay, so I'm just going to be coming in with this brush right here. This one is from Morphe. It's the B30 brush. So with that brush, I'm just going to go ahead and set my lid very quick. Just that way I don't get any creases because I'm already starting to form some creases. So next I'm going to be coming in with this right here. This is a liner. And this one is from Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Liner. It has to like drying up, I think, already. So that first shade, I'm just gonna add it all over my lid. That first shade we actually used, and I'm just gonna place that under on my eyelid. So you guys, this is what I have so far. I did add my House of Lashes in the style Iconic, and it's in the style Iconic Light. I'm gonna try to add some of this underneath my waterline. So next I'm going to add some eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and I'm gonna see how that goes. To be honest, I don't even know what colors I'm gonna put on the bottom, but we'll see. So with the same Eco Tool brush, this one right here, I think I'm just gonna be adding this one right here, this blue, and a little bit of this as well, this purple color right there. So we're gonna see how that works. And I'm just gonna place it right here on the bottom. And I'm gonna get that purple one. Okay, so I'm gonna do is just do the first blue color right here, and then the purple in the middle, and then towards the end the blue color. I didn't really get any fallout, you guys. It's crazy. I love this palette. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all this powder all over my face because I'm like, you know, the powder. So yeah, and I'll be back. So I'm gonna be coming in with this little tiny NYX glitter primer, and this is I'm gonna be using this to apply some of the glue. To apply some of the glitter. These are the glitters that I have, and these are from NYX. So I'm thinking of either grabbing the white one or the purple one. The brush, I'm gonna be using this brush right here, Sigma brush, E56 brush. So I'm just gonna grab some of that primer, glue, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just gonna place it right here. And I'm gonna be getting this brush right here, and this one is a Sigma E39 brush. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of the purple color and place it right there. So you guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I know it looks a little bit cray-cray, but I think it came out very, very stunning. Something different, you know, nice, beautiful colors. Let me tell you guys very quick about the palette. You guys, these palettes are good. If you have not gotten your hands or hold it of any of these Makeup Shack palettes, you guys, go ahead, and they're very, very affordable. I think this was like, I don't remember the exact numbers, but I know it was less than $15. And if you use, like, I guess other YouTubers coupon codes, you could even get a better deal. So that's what I did. I ended up adding a coupon code from a YouTuber, and I ended up getting I believe it was 20% off. But yes, so I hope you guys will try one of these. Like I said, this is not sponsored. I just wanted to give these a try, and I 110% recommend this eyeshadow palettes. So before we leave, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys like this makeup look, and don't forget to comment down below sharing some love. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.